बताओ
Okay, it was Johnny Sins. मतलब बस एक बार ऐसे आया था झलक.
I really don't want to take her name, so
I know कितना झूठ बोल रहा है.
you're so much into porn, right?
No. Okay.
Yes.
5.
5. Okay. Let's see. Oh.
10.
All right. You ready?
No, but yeah.
Have you ever gone through my stuff when I wasn't around?
Yes, of course. ये मेरा हक है. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, I went through your phone. I wasn't possessive.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा protective थी.
चलो ठीक
So
है.
yes, yeah. Is there anyone in your social circle, like friend or co-worker or acquaintance, whose relationship with you I should be genuinely concerned about?
No, this is very simple, I guess. No one. Yeah. सच्ची by God. सही में?
देख लो.
हाँ.
Then I'll again go through your phone and find
हाँ,
out then
you
you're
can.
done.
Anytime you can just. My turn. Okay. Have you ever checked my phone without telling me?
Yes, I have.
अच्छा, कब?
That one time I'll tell you when you were happily enjoying with your co-workers, then I got it unlocked. भाई ऐसा मौका कौन छोड़ता है, right? So yes.
ठीक है, वैसे भी मेरे फोन में ज़्यादा लॉक है नहीं.
Oh my God. Who's someone from your past you would still want to kiss? Why are you smiling?
From my past, no one, I guess. I mean.
It's okay, डरो मत.
हाँ, फिर भी. Let me just think. Let me just recall.
So you're recalling everyone, huh?
No.
बोलो.
As I said, there is no one.
No one you would like to kiss.
No. I would rather like to kiss you, but ठीक है. पास में तो कोई नहीं है.
आप पोकर खेल सकते थे, फैमिली मेंबर नाम ले सकते थे, बट
अच्छा, ऐसा भी था क्या?
कुछ नहीं था, आप करो.
चलो ठीक है, बच गया. What's something your friends know about you that I don't? क्या है ऐसा?
That before you, huh?
Before me?
No, मतलब before our relationship.
अच्छा.
My interest used to shift very quickly.
अच्छा.
Like to do मतलब.
And how about me?
We're in a relationship, darling. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyway.
चलो ठीक है, next.
Wow. Which part of my body do you secretly find most attractive?
Secretly find more attractive? Your neck.
Is it?
हाँ.
Lovely.
अभी तक शॉट नहीं लिया यार. What a
मैं
shot.
भी वही सोच रही थी.
चलो next. अच्छा मेरा. What's the biggest thing you have hidden from me? अब बताओ. लगता है शॉट लेना.
I would like to. क्या रे मन कर रहा था पीने का.
ठीक है. मेरी बारी भी आएगी.
अरे.
चलो ठीक है, kidding. Next.
What's
please.
the wildest place you have ever hooked up? ठीक है भाई. ठीक है यार.
Next.
Was there a counter to
No.
my drinking shot?
No. Have you ever lied to me about where you were? होता ही होगा ऐसा तो बहुत बार. Kidding. No. Seriously, no.
Yeah. I just filter out. No. I
सच्ची?
never lied. अरे यार.
कभी तो बोला होगा कुछ तो कि इधर बोल के उधर चलेगा या फिर ऐसा कुछ. नहीं.
It's so casual for you. नहीं ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ है.
अच्छा.
कभी भी नहीं हुआ है.
It's not about someone else. It's about just going somewhere and
नहीं.
saying.
इंसान भी नहीं और फेस भी नहीं.
अच्छा.
आई नो कितना झूठ बोलना है. अरे नहीं बोला है बाबा.
ओके.
And I'm very bold and outspoken about what I do.
या आई नो. चलो नेक्स्ट.
गाए तुम गाए.
चलो बना लो क्या?
Who was your best kisser before me? Before me, I mean it's Kaz, guys. ठीक है ना? अभी तो obviously I am, but before me,
Before you, I really don't want to take her name. So
no, tell me it's okay. Good for you.
have you ever thought about breaking up with me? And when?
You know the answer.
No, how would I know?
Yes, I have thought about it. मतलब, you know that one time when we fought a lot, and there was just a silly reason.
Uh-huh.
It was about some dates and stuff that I just
remember.
wanted to get the excited date planned.
I got it.
Yeah. so I'll like to tell this. It was a very silly reason, but the main reason actually doesn't affect me. What affects is how you deal with it. So just
So did I
sorry
handle
bolo.
very nicely or what?
That's why we're together.
Okay, green flag, checkmate. Next.
Who do you think is more romantic, me or your ex?
You. Obviously you. हाँ सच्ची.
For the sake of game or for the sake
No,
of your life?
seriously, frankly.
है ना?
हाँ सच्ची.
My greenest flag. I mean
I'm-
green flag.
Okay. What's a fantasy you have never told me? Short लो. What a shot. डालूं क्या?
क्यों?
अच्छा बताओगे तो
अरे,
बताओ.
I'm very happy to tell you about it.
चलो ठीक.
आप ही तो कंप्लीट करोगे.
Okay.
Fantasy. Yeah. I want to have it at the highest point of this world, or of a building. मतलब very top.
Okay.
Very
Interesting.
soon we'll get successful and we'll do it.
चांद, how about चांद?
नहीं वहाँ पे नहीं होता है कुछ भी. वहाँ पे उड़ोगे. Have you ever imagined someone else while we were together? Hey, why? You know now while we are together means what? And imagining someone else means what?
No.
It's okay. Listen, just डरो मत.
It's okay for now. और बाद में?
अरे नहीं, डेमोक्रेसी है भाई. I mean, come on.
अच्छा. नहीं ऐसा वैसा नहीं हुआ है. Why would
I want
recall?
this answer personally out of this game. Look into my eye and
Okay.
say me that.
Okay, let me turn the table. I really want to ask you this question. चलो
ये नहीं हो
अब
सकता.
करते हैं. अब देखते हैं.
No, you can't play that on me, okay? I
नहीं.
won't allow you.
I'm here to play the game ना. चलो.
2 शॉट पियो पहले.
उसमें क्या है लोग? Okay, this is 1, this is 2. Good. चलो.
सुनो, मैथ्स
answer.
आती है मुझे.
Okay.
ठीक है. Every beautiful लड़की is not without brain.
चलो. बताओ.
पियो और एक पियो.
पी रहा हूँ बताओ.
Listen to me. Just don't get me wrong, okay? You know ना. Okay. मैं कैसे बोलूँ?
Tell me.
So, I imagined a different person,
Okay.
but that person is not
Not.
you. Means,
Okay.
I'm not imagining having things with that particular person.
Can
but
somebody give me pen and paper so that I can make note कि कैसे होता है कैसे
अरे!
clearly say yes or no बस.
Yes, but अरे listen to me first. But
ठीक है.
it was not a person who know me. It's a very sexy celeb. वो तो चलेगा ना, वो तो cute
तो
है ना.
सेलेब तो नॉन ही होते हैं. बताओ कौन सा
तो
celeb?
उसने नहीं वो नहीं.
वो तो बताना पड़ेगा.
वो नहीं
वो तो बताना पड़ेगा ना.
I don't know यार.
नहीं,
बताओ.
बताओ. बताओ बताओ
Okay, it
बताओ.
was Johnny Sins. You told me to tell it, yeah. मतलब बस एक बार ऐसे आया था झलक तक. Yeah.
You're so much into porn, right?
No. Shut up, okay? I'll bring out your secrets. This is not allowed.
Okay,
Like,
guys.
एक
Okay,
question,
next
चार
question.
secret.
Next.
ये तो मैं हमेशा आपसे पूछती हूँ. If I gain above 100 kg, would you still sleep with me? Honestly.
Always.
Always?
Forever.
Oh. How
Okay.
sweet.
If your celebrity crush asked you to go out, would you say yes?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why?
Absolutely no. Because going out with you is what I enjoy the most.
Okay.
कोई भी हो सामने, I would always choose you.
अरे वाह, ये तो वैसा हो गया, वो रील थी ना कि आप श्रद्धा कपूर को डेट करेंगे. कह रहा क्यों करेंगे भाई, हमारे पास हमारी गर्लफ्रेंड है, काहे जाएंगे बाहर. इसका
Yes.
फीमेल वर्जन.
है ना?
हाँ.
मैंने कितनी बार तुमको ग्रीन फ्लैग बोला है, एक बार मुझे नहीं बोल सकते.
हाँ, आप तो बहुत ग्रास से भी ज्यादा ग्रीन हो.
But
Yes, sir.
grass is always greener.
हाँ, तो ये ग्रीनर देन ग्रास ना. चलो, आपकी बारी.
नहीं आपकी बारी ना.
मैंने
नहीं,
पूछा
मेरी
ना, ये टिप्सी.
बारी. No. मुझे नहीं चढ़ती.
वैसे भी पानी
कभी
पी के कौन टिप्सी. चलो.
What's something you would change about me if you could, and no question asked? Means anything you want to change about me.
Arguments, I guess. I mean, I really choose my words कि मुझे argument नहीं करना चाहिए जब हमारे बीच argument हो. Something like this. Get?
Good girl. Good boys.
Girl?
देखो आर्ग्यूमेंट्स अगर नहीं रहते हैं तो फिर प्यार नहीं रहता है. हम उससे ही लड़ते हैं, उससे ही झगड़ते हैं जिनको हम प्यार करते हैं ना. हाँ.
ऐसा होता है क्या? ये सिर्फ गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड में होता है या फिर सारे रिलेशन में
नहीं
होता
नहीं
है?
सिर्फ गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड में होता है, फिर बॉयफ्रेंड सॉरी बोलता है.
वैसे भी मेरे पापा मुझे बहुत मारते हैं, तो मतलब मेरे से बहुत प्यार करते हैं.
Obviously, see checkmate.
चलो ठीक
Thank you for justifying my question.
है. Okay. Don't answer, okay?
Sorry.
चलो ठीक है.
I.
What's the most annoying thing I do in bed?
You don't moan.
Huh?
अरे moan. You don't moan. अरे very slow moan.
Take a water shot.
Like see I moan like crazy. Like in a loudspeaker anything. He moans like एक earbud जब कान में डालते हैं तो पता क्या होता है. Just I mean girls love when guys moan, right? Your voices makes us more crazy. You
This
don't
is- this
moan
is-
only. You're just so silent.
अरे तो क्या है बेसिक आई मीन स्ट्रक्चर है गर्ल्स का बॉयज
pretend
का.
थोड़ा सा fake करो. At times we
I-
also fake, okay?
When?
बाद में.
चलो ठीक. नेक्स्ट.
Okay.
चलो.
Which of your exes do you think was more attractive than me? More attractive than me.
Actually, I have a very big list, na, so every time I have to
Big list.
rethink and like you know that now. But still, I couldn't find anything. You're the most. Yeah, seriously.
बच रहे हो ना?
नहीं 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 सच्ची सच्ची बोलोगे तो मैं वाटर शॉट भी ले सकता हूँ.
नहीं नहीं रहने दो. Water shot मत लो. That's so sweet.
चलो नेक्स्ट.
चलो, लो. मतलब it's like जग घूमे यार तेरे जैसे कोई.
हाँ exactly.
I know it's filmy but I love films so.
If you could change one thing about my looks, what would be?
Looks.
Yeah. कुछ भी ऐसे change करना हो.
I have something actually.
Don't
but
take someone's name, okay?
No, don't worry, don't
Okay.
worry. I won't do that ever. But I think it's a like I do this fashion designing also now. So I think curly hair would look like
Ah.
great on you, darling. I tell you, at times when you do it artificially, I go crazy. I go
Yeah.
bananas. So, guys, comment below अगर इस पे curly hair अच्छा लगेगा कि नहीं. He
Yes,
looks
sir.
really sexy, really sexy. So I think
I like it.
that's something.
I like it. I like it.
Yes.
Even I like as well.
है ना?
I've done before, yeah, for a shoot. So
Lovely. What's something your ex did that you secretly miss? You can answer this though.
I mean, what
Something
she
that your ex did for you,
did for me.
you liked obviously. That's why you miss secretly. That's something I am
Okay,
not doing it for
so
you.
you're saying ki, you're saying I'm missing my ex.
Some things or one particular thing of your ex that you miss.
She broke my heart.
You miss that?
I'm missing.
You want me to break
no,
your
no,
heart?
there's the difference between my ex and you, na. She broke my heart, and I want that you don't do the same.
That's
So
okay.
this is something else that I really don't want, but I'm just remembering. Good?
जो खेल रहे हो ना तुम जोकर कार्ड तुम ना रुको मेरे भी आएगा यो टर्न
Okay. What's one secret you have kept from me that would make me lose trust in you if I knew?
2 shorts please.
है? अच्छा.
Tables just turn. ये आंसर जानने के लिए मैं कुछ भी करूँगी कुछ भी.
Okay, is the cues. One secret you kept from me.
पानी आज बहुत कड़वा लग रहा है.
Okay, one secret. I was dating two girls at the same time. So, you know na.
Look at
Nobody
the
likes-
smile.
nobody
Look at
likes-
the evil smile this guy is having. देखो 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 कैसे हंस रहा है देखो
No.
कितना खुश हो रहा है देख रहे हो कैसे खुश हो रहे हो
नहीं
ना?
मैं खुश नहीं हो रहा हूँ. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी को भी पसंद नहीं है. इवन एक्स में, प्रेजेंट में, फ्यूचर में किसी को भी पसंद नहीं है. तो उसमें डिस्ट्रस्ट वाली चीज़ हो जाती है. Am I making sense? Moving on to next question. आपके बारे में. Please make it fair, okay? मेरे अंदर रख दियो.
Now also you have your other girlfriend ना उसका फोन उठाते हो ना?
नहीं कोई भी नहीं है. सच्ची कोई नहीं है. चलो next.
Who is a person from your past that you actively think about when we are having sex?
है?
मरो अब.
This is kind of the same question that you already asked.
But someone from your past, like my answer was no one from the past, na? So I am at the safer place.
There was a celebrity.
Just
In my
don't,
past?
just don't counter. Oh God, this guy, I tell
No,
you.
I'm not
just
countering. See, I genuinely telling you, there was a celebrity. I used to like her, and
Don't. You know the question, na? You're thinking about her when we are having sex. हवाएं क्यों उड़ रहे हैं तुम्हारे चेहरे के मेरी जान बोलो ना.
sex is also like daily routine of
कोई
what.
बात. Daily routine. लो.
तो कभी भी सोचते टाइम कुछ भी दिमाग में आ सकता है. You cannot control your mind, right? अरे हम ओके यार, इसको रखो ना.
ठीक है बोलो.
अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ. मतलब I mean आ गया था ऐसा दिमाग में like celebrity. I cannot take her name. You know ना. चलो next question.
ये तो this conversation did not end, guys. It's going to continue.
When
और यहाँ पे शॉर्ट्स नहीं छूड़ा होने वाला है. It's going to be knife and everything.
अरे चिल ना. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. चलो ना.
You're telling me to chill. You should be the person who will be chilling, my dear. Anyways.
चलो next. my
Funny.
turn.
Oh, sorry.
If you meet someone tonight who has your perfect physical ideal, would you seriously consider leaving me?
Absolutely not. I mean, this is a very foolish question.
Exactly.
Because physical appearance is something that changes every minute, every second. And you are someone. अगर आप एक ऊंट भी होते ना तो भी मैं आपसे इतना प्यार करती.
Proud of you. Thank you so
You
much.
should.
Next.
Have you ever thought about breaking up with me and when?
There was a day when we were fighting a lot, and that was not
10th February.
no. So that was not the first time, और ऐसा हर रिलेशनशिप में होता रहता फाइट्स. वो थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया था तो मैंने नहीं सोचा था. मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि तुम ब्रेकअप कर दोगे.
हाँ,
तो
ये तो सही.
ये सही है ना. हाँ तो बस वही था. So yeah, that's about it.
You're playing safe.
No, I'm not playing
no,
safe.
guys, he's
I'm playing
playing
game. No,
safe.
I'm just playing game. Nothing else. Okay. Who do you think flirts better? You or me? This is very cute question. Obviously, I really want to answer this. You.
Is it?
Say, is it good quality or bad quality? I mean,
अरे good quality ना babe.
so this is
Flirt
my
with you ना.
so you flirt with me.
हाँ, सबके साथ healthy flirting तो चलता ही है.
No, no,
तुम्हारे
no.
साथ unhealthy होता है
There
ना?
is nowhere mentioned healthy flirt or unhealthy
Darling,
flirt.
come on यार. Obviously I flirt with you only.
सच्ची?
अरे बाबा मुच्ची.
चलो ठीक है.
मुझे आपके सिवा कोई दिखता ही नहीं इस दुनिया में.
Okay, next. Specs लगाया करो. Okay.
Very bad. End करो.
Sorry.
तुम पागल हो?
चलो next.
I told you, whatever you'll give me, I'll multiply it into 3 and give it to you. तुम मेरे को
Don't
प्यार
counter हो गया,
करोगे?
don't
Counter
counter.
नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं multiply करके दे रही हूँ. अब मैं और 3 बार तुम्हें embarrass करूँगी.
Okay. ठीक है.
माफ किया.
Thank you. चलो next.
Have you ever stalked one of my exes online?
One of my exes?
Have.
My exes?
You have.
Or your exes?
You
Your
have.
exes? See,
छी क्या होता
they
है?
were not like standard at all. Why would I?
Oh my God. और एक बार जो तुमने embarrass किया ना मेरे को, मैं बताऊँ तुम्हारे exes के बारे में?
They can be.
गवार.
हाँ, so मैंने भी तो वही बोला. अरे anyway chill यार.
Anyway.
चलो next.
Yeah.
If you could erase one memory of us, what would be? मुझे मत मिटाना. हमारी memories.
नहीं, I think जब हम बहुत गंदे तरीके से लड़ते हैं, when we disrespect each other sometimes or I'm very happy to say that हमारा physical fight कभी नहीं होता है.
हाँ.
I push him, he turns. But I think कभी-कभी बहुत ज़्यादा बातें हम एक दूसरे को बोल देते हैं. Something about each other's insecurities that I genuinely feel guilty about after a fight. So I just want to erase all the bad memories.
Next.
Yes.
Cute one.
मैं. This is the same question. Have you ever lied to me about where you were or who you were with? So we'll just skip the. What was that?
No, the same
No,
question.
I want to ask
same
this
question.
question. No,
Same
I
question
want
is
to
coming
ask
again.
this question.
हाँ, so you want to ask now?
Yeah. Have you
I
ever
wa-
lied to me about where you were or who you were with?
So I'm going to answer now. I'm going to answer now.
चलो.
Just relax. Take a chill pill. So.
Tell me. I already know the answer. So tell me.
No. I'll tell you.
First tell me.
There
Don't
is a something.
explain.
There
Just
is a
tell
something.
Me.
There is a something lined up, which is coming up.
No surprise
Ah.
shit.
Yeah,
Okay,
exactly.
मैं surprise देने वाला हूँ. No, I know the answer.
No,
you
no,
have
no.
lied about something.
No, there's something is coming up, which I really want to tell you later. So that is kind of a lie that I'm not telling you.
Darling, the question says, have you ever lied
Oh,
to me
अच्छा,
about
lied.
who you were with or where you were? मतलब आप कहीं पे हो, मुझे कहीं बता रहे हो, किसी के साथ हो, बोल रहे हो कि मैं तो अकेला आया हूँ.
I got it.
Production house. Tell me, darling.
If I'm taking short, it doesn't mean that I'm lying to you. It means I'm very honest with you, my darling.
Cheesy.
Guys,
ये जो game
play safe. Okay,
It's
next.
okay. It's fine. Sometimes it happens, guys. Sometimes we have to filter out. Your turn.
I asked you.
No,
Okay.
I asked you.
If I died tomorrow, was one thing you would never want my family to find out about us?
That you had a list of exes.
Next.
Okay, and oh,
What?
it's a dare. Yeah, guys, your partner will make you a weird drink.
चलो.
Yay!
Simple है.
I'll give you the weirdest drink possible. और तुम्हें पीना पड़ेगा.
ये लेमन है, सोया सॉस और एक
This is
Make
soy
it easy,
sauce.
guys. Make it easy, यार. ये क्या बना रहे हो?
This is lemon.
टर्मरिक है। अभी
Turmeric.
आप जैसा आप
अरे यार.
आप ये भी ऐड कर सकते हो भाई.
अरे वो तो मेन प्लेयर है. वो लाना जरा बेबी. हाफ डालो इसमें.
Make it yourself. This is your day.
Okay. Goes some water, and you're lucky you don't have. And it goes. Wow. It's black, like your ex's heart. Lemon. It's fresh like me. And we have this haldi. I can do it myself, guys.
Independent. अरे don't. अरे यार खाना बनाते हो उससे ये सब मत डालो.
तो क्या हुआ?
चलो anyways, going to be.
और सोचो एक्स के बारे में.
इसमें डिटर्जेंट डाल दोगे तो गाइस it's going to be red.
इसमें थोड़ा सा हार्पिक डाल सकते हैं.
मैं फिर वो फ्लिप कर दूंगा डेयर तुम्हें दे दूंगा.
नहीं,
And
नहीं,
I'm going to
मेरी
take 6 to 7 takes.
No. It has lemon juice, good for your skin, vitamin C, soy sauce. You love Chinese, turmeric. कोई भी इंजरी होगा तो हील हो जाएगा. और पानी तो भाई पानी है. लो.
चलो ठीक है. This is final drink. You want to add anything else?
Yes, some of my love.
अब फिर तो क्या है इसको पी के मरूंगा मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए क्या फर्क पड़ता है.
He's going to die. चलो तुम
अरे यार.
पियो ना. You
हाँ.
trust me ना.
Yes darling, why not?
पियो इसको.
वाओ एक और बनाओ.
अच्छा था.
बहुत अच्छा था.
मजे मत लो मेरे से.
बहुत
फिर
अच्छा
से
था. एक और बनाओ.
ठीक है.
Thank you
जब
so
हम
much.
4 दोस्त बैठेंगे ना तुम हमेशा यही पहनना.
ठीक है. हाँ
ठीक है.
सच्ची बनाना यार बहुत अच्छा है.
कुछ भी.
ओके.
Feeling pity. Okay, fine. What is a specific sexual act or routine about ours that you secretly hate or find boring? Hey, I genuinely want to know.
Please repeat again ना. I
So,
actually.
what is this one sexual habit of mine
Okay.
that you don't like it
Okay.
or find it very boring?
One habit. I really don't want to take that particular position name, but that is boring kind of. I just leave it.
Missionary?
Hey, next.
वो तो इंटरेस्टिंग है.
No. वो नहीं है by the way.
अच्छा.
Just leave it.
चलो, just
Leave
tell
it to
me.
the
I
audience.
want.
Audience पे छोड़ दो.
Okay, tell me.
Who do you think contributes more to this relationship, emotionally or financially?
I think financially, तो both are very equal. We even split
Agree.
30 rupees का ice cream, and I'm
Even though
very happy
30,000
about it.
as well. Yeah.
Emotionally, तो I cannot take one name because we both are equally involved. See, I do this emotional shit, and you know मैं रोती बहुत हूँ, but I secretly know that you love me more.
Yeah.
Both guys, both.
Yeah. Next.
What's the worst thing you have ever thought about me but never said?
Worst thing thought about you? Nothing, I guess. Seriously.
मेरे बारे में कभी कुछ
The
नहीं?
worst thing I thought about breakup, I guess, when we were not in that mode and not in like lined up our emotion. So I thought about that breakup thing. I think that was the last thing I thought about bad.
कैमरा थोड़ा ऑफ कर सकते हैं, मैं थोड़ा ब्लश करके आ जाऊँ. That's so sweet of you, darling. Very ethical boyfriend I have.
Nice. Chalo, next. Moving on. Which of my friends do you think this is the most attractive? आज तो बताना पड़ेगा. ये है ही नहीं इसमें खत्म हो गया. बताओ.
अरे दो ना.
बताओ ना.
अरे
अच्छा बताओ ना. I genuinely want to.
ठीक है, I'll let you.
No. You just tell
I
me
don't
first.
know your friends कौन है? एक दो ही होंगे तुम्हारे. मुझे
अरे
क्या
it's
पता?
okay. I'm very open-minded.
Um,
I'm talking about female friends.
It's my decision not to answer this.
No, genuinely.
Female friends?
Let me. Which of my female friends do you think is the most attractive? Yeah.
Am I your friend, baby?
Huh?
Am I your friend?
No, you're my girlfriend.
So,
So I'm asking.
along with girlfriend, we are also friends at times, ना? हमेशा थोड़ी लवी लवी
So you want to say कि तुम अपने आप को पसंद करते हो? Something like that?
Yes, मैं अपनी favorite हूँ.
अरे इस पे मेल है, बताओ जल्दी.
अच्छा मेल तो है ही नहीं. अरे मैं तो है ही नहीं मेल. अच्छा female friends.
No, male
I
friend, male friend,
think,
male friend. See.
मेल लिखा नहीं है.
Okay,
Shows
you
the
can read
camera.
out.
See. Which of my friends do you think is most attractive?
My friend.
Yeah. Aisha. Checkmate.
Aisha.
Yeah, मेल तो लिखा ही नहीं. Thanks to this card.
Okay, so you like Aisha.
Yeah.
Let me
She's
call
very
her.
hot.
Let me call her and I'm going to say her that you like her.
Why?
Like because you never said to her. चलो next. आपकी बारी.
What would you do if your ex texted you, I miss you right now?
I'm definitely going to block her
Good boy, good lesson.
right away. Yeah, exactly.
Oh god, guys, if your boyfriend is not like this, break up. बहुत अच्छे हो तुम, बहुत अच्छे. Good boy, good boy.
Okay. मेरे पास इतने बड़े-बड़े questions. I have like thesis of the questions.
Only we both know why we are laughing.
If you had to choose between your dream job in another country and staying with me, what?
Or
Would you
staying
pick?
with me.
No, and staying with me.
अच्छा,
What would you
अच्छा.
pick?
Staying with you.
Sachi? What if you get like
Everything
millions
is
of package, new salary and CTC kind of a thing?
money is transient, job is transient, career is temporary, love is something even God craves for. So I love you.
अच्छा वो मेरे से नहीं पूछा. मैं भी सेम आंसर करता.
ये नहीं,
अरे मैं भी सेम आंसर
पागल
करता.
वागल.
मैं भी सही
You
आंसर.
just spoiled my cheesiest.
अरे तो मैं भी सेम आंसर करता. सच्ची. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. चलो नेक्स्ट.
You'll pay at McDonald's.
मैकडॉनल्ड.
When was the last time you thought about breaking up with me?
अरे I already told you like
Last time कब हुआ?
last time
Multiple thoughts आ सकते हैं
like year ago when we were fighting like a crazy people.
ना? 10 February.
10 February. It's going to be a year, I guess.
Okay, fine. Yes.
Chalo.
I loved having this questionnaire with you. Thanks to this truth and drink that I got
Thanks
to know
to-
many secrets about you.
Yes.
And also I
Truth.
got to know that you love me so much. I had a great session. Yay!
Yeah, guys.